Hey guys, it's down the YouTube channel.
Today we're doing roof bars! Roof bar! Oh my god! Come on, fucking power.
Milwaukee!
Now people know I've got power tools in the car. Fuck's sake, man.
He doesn't lock his car.
I don't lock it.
Right, let's fit these then.
Hello, we're doing roof bars.
Bar of a roof.
What the fuck was that? What was that? Do this and then. Oh fuck!
That was fucking murder!
You can't put them on yet. Take the fuck off.
I'm legally blind. Right.
Imagine your car being that terrible.
Oh,
it
that
takes
reminds me.
AdBlue in a car.
That reminds me. New section of the video. I'm running low on AdBlue. We're filling it up.
Oh, fuck.
Welcome to filling up with AdBlue. And sockets.
Oh shit.
Where have you gone? Where's my fucking AdBlue?
Incredible shot.
Oh, it's a bug!
Why did he so fucking with the slide?
Oh, I didn't kill it. What the fuck are you
Alright,
doing?
if you push that silver plate in, it moves nice and easy.
Yeah, but this one needs
Push
to
the
move.
plate in then.
What
The
plate?
bit that the bolt's attached into.
Oh, I
Put your
can't.
thumb in it.
I can't because I've clipped it on.
Doesn't matter.
It does.
Go on that side. Done that for? Where's the Allen key?
That's not even fucking.
Where's the Allen key for it?
That needs to come off.
Oh no. That's off.
It's loosen it.
No, that needs to come.
Why is this
towards
tight
you.
and you haven't even fucking put them on properly?
I've lost the Allen key.
Well, we've bought me and Alison have botched that one.
You have not. Look how fucking wonky it is. Find the Allen key.
Push the thing in. Toby, we don't need to tighten
Yes,
yet.
we do.
Toby, give. Good boy.
We don't even start that.
3 days later.
We put roof bars on it. Now I've got a TentBox out my garage to put on it.
TentBox is the best rooftop tent brand.
I put it on the roof, and now it's on the roof. I'm tightening the bolts up. Welcome to my TentBox. Today, I'm doing the bolts up. Oh, so tight. These bolts are so tight. Oh. We have it on the roof. It is solid. Here's one we made earlier. Come with me. Welcome into my TentBox I made earlier.
Get out!
Thanks, man.
Get out!
Go!
No! We're trying to have sex! Hey guys, MTV Cribs. So today we're putting my TentBox down. Right, so first of all, you've got to make sure you put these bungee cords in because they're so easy. And then if I grab the camera, I always leave this open because it makes it go down easier. Give it back to my cameraman.
Oh shit.
Now we get out because it's done in here. Turn your fairy lights off because you know electricity bills are high.
This fucking battery is spastic.
Then you get out. You get back up. Make sure you zip it up nice and tight.
I heard you don't have to zip them up though sometimes.
Don't want the insects going in. Ignore the ginger men. Ginger is the new black. Hashtag trend. And then zip it up. Don't get it caught on itself there, like I just have.
Hang on.
And then
No, wait, hang on.
this goes in here like this.
Oh yeah, just cut me off then.
What do you want?
Hang on. If ginger's the new black, say the word.
No, keep it on me. So you put these in, both sides, right? Make sure they're all in, nice and tight. And then what I like to do is get off the ladder. Make sure these are tight. Just makes it easy. They're already tight. And then it's as simple as
Get in and drive off.
no, and then you close the ladder.
Suspension.
He's put on a few pounds recently.
Guys, there's a GoFundMe coming up to help Harrison lose weight.
As easy as this. That folds down like that. Now come closer, come closer, come closer.
Yes,
Go back,
yes, boss,
go back,
yes,
go
boss.
back. Abdul, come closer. This has a strap. You see? Velcro. Goes round like that. That doesn't. I don't know how this bit works. I just leave it. You get down. Flip this over. Abdul, come. No! You're actually ruining the video now. As long as you haven't got a ginger, I mean, no, that's getting big. You're a lucky man.
Go, carry on.
You have to tuck it all in. Sorry for the short interval. We have to sort someone out. Tuck it all in. Sometimes it's easier to lift it up. Tuck her in. Like she's gone to Turkey. Make sure it's all tucked in. Nice and neat. Nice and neat. As neat as you can make it.
Short hand.
No.
None of this is tucked in.
Cut. Welcome back. So once it's all tucked in like so, flip the sides down. Top and bottom. Which holds it all in. Then you have these nice straps here, which just go through here. Make sure they're nice and tight, pulls it down. Bosh. This side, see? All tucked in, nice and neat. Pull it down, bosh. All nice and smooth. Follow me. Watch that came undone. All nice and neat, you see? And then this goes over. No. I mean it. Fuck! Run. Where's the ginger monkey? Quick. Speed tour!
Where are you going?
Right, Toby, actually stop. So this just pulls over, like thus. Make sure this bit's tucked up, otherwise the zip won't do up. Yep, looking good over here. This just pulls down. It's a very nice snug fit. Nice and snug. Can't get a fucking cover on, boys. What have you done? What's going on?
Just zip it up, man. It'll pull
I
up.
haven't put the ladders on properly. The ladders have come open. Now you put the cover on. Simple as, you know. Get it over like this.
Shit!
Keep up. Restart. Pulls down over each corner. Make sure they're all tucked in. Comes down nice and snug. Then there's a zip over here. It's as simple as making sure everything's tucked in, and then simply making sure it's actually in. Zip. Zip, zip, zip. Look, I can literally just walk around pulling it. It's that easy. I'm caught on something. See? Got to make sure it's tucked in. Now what I like to do, so it's not hanging off, pull this up, put it in, go up the little hole there, and just fucking Velcro it in. Put this Velcro down, we're ready to go home. Welcome. Thank you for watching my MTV Cribs TentBox edition.